通过 AI 还有我们的通过邮件的这种方式去进行帮客户去做海外客户的拓展的，可以帮客户去有效的去触达他们的新客户，然后把他们存量客户进行定期的运营还有清洗。
I think AI now is the main technology, the most popular for sure. Yeah, everybody's using it.
So I think the ways that algorithms and AI is now developing in Amazon, in other countries, but in Netherlands in particular we have Bol. Their AI and functions, they're also developing, and we are closely watching these developments.
AI 对我们来说很重要，因为 AI 可以，不管你做什么业务，它可以帮你省时间、省钱等等。